What is 3D modeling and design? To sum it up, it is the process of creating a three-dimensional object using mathematics and points to mimic shapes and objects. It is used by professionals and organizations to communicate ideas, teach ideas, and to formulate plans. How this works exactly is because 3D modeling and design is a mesh of mathematical coordinates that can be manipulated to look like an object or a surface. This creates a realistic subject for any professional or personal needs. A brief look at the history of 3D design. We start in the 1960s, when 3D design was really restricted to select professionals and engineers. That changed when Even Sutherland introduced Sketchpad, one of the first graphical user interfaces. The 1970s, many new companies were established to design better software. This is known as the age of rendering. In the 1980s, 3D modeling is the most sought after software. IBM launched software for personal use. This led to the development of CAD being one of the earliest solid modeling softwares. In the 1990s, the software developed and is mostly what we see today. CAD was at its peak. Software such as Blender gained momentum during this time. And today, it only keeps on evolving for the better. Some programs we see today are Autodesk 3D Max, SketchUp, and the infamous Blender. These are some of the most popular softwares used today, mostly because consumers currently use these accessible technologies in their personal lives as well as professional. These programs are easy to use and learn. There are many uses for them, but some of the most popular uses are 3D printing and architectural design. Archaeology is currently using 3D modeling to mimic digs and sites to aid in scientific discovery. The challenge they face is creating a simulation that also captures the spiritual and emotional significance of these sites. The hope is to have a database of educational and preserved material for generations to come. Another recent development is in medicine. At Carle Illinois College, students are using 3D printing in new and creative ways to help advance medicine. It is believed the next generation of physician innovators will be at the forefront of expanding 3D modeling in the medical system. So what's next? There's a thought to have increased use of virtual reality and augmented reality to create a more immersive experience for educational and personal use. 3D modeling and AI are thought to combine forces to create faster 3D models, and there is a very strong focus on sustainability, creating models that are environmentally friendly. These are, of course, just predictions, but the outlook of 3D modeling in careers seems to be on the rise.